Hi guys, this is Steph. I had problem number 4 on homework 8. It had 2 parts. So for both parts, you start with let AB and CD be members of Sn such that AB does not equal CD. So part A says, prove if AB times CD equals CD times AB, that implies that AB and CD are disjoint. So we're going to prove part A using the contrapositive. So contrapositive is equivalent to the original statement, but you flip the hypothesis and the conclusion and you negate them both. So proving the contrapositive is this also proves the original statement. So for this, the contrapositive is AB and CD are not disjoint, implies that AB times CD does not equal CD times AB. So proof by contrapositive. First line is assume that AB and CD are not disjoint. So if they're not disjoint, they must overlap. So we said let A equal C, which means that ABCD would really equal ABAD. So let alpha equal AB and beta equal AD. So alpha beta would be ABAD, which would be ADB. Beta alpha would be AD times AB, which is equal to ABD. So alpha beta equals ADB, and beta alpha equals ABD, and those things are not equal. So therefore, ABCD does not equal CDAB. So we proved part A. So part B says, prove if AB and CD are disjoint, then ABCD equals CDAB. So we're going to do this using cases. So first thing we're going to do is assume AB and CD are disjoint. So we're going to say let alpha equal ABCD. So this is this. So that's alpha. And let beta equal CDAB, which is this side. So we're going to consider each element separately and put them into alpha and beta and see if we get the same thing. So consider the element A. So we put it into alpha, you get B. You put it into beta, you also get B. So alpha of A equals beta of A. Do the same thing for element B. If I put in B to alpha and beta, I get A both times. So alpha of B equals beta of B. So case 3, consider element C. Same thing, alpha of C equals D, beta of C equals D, so they're equal to each other. If I do the same thing with the element D, I get that alpha and beta, again, are equal. So now let's consider some element that's not in either one of the 2 cycles. So we're going to call it X. Consider some element X such that X is not A, B, C, or D. So alpha of X would equal X, and beta of X would equal X. So because alpha and beta don't involve that element, and it doesn't change them. So alpha of X is equal to beta of X. So no matter what element you pick from 1 to n, so for all y is a member of 1 to n, alpha of y equals beta of y, which implies that alpha equals beta. And at the top, we said that alpha was ABCD and beta was CDAB. So since alpha equals beta, we just proved that AB times CD equals CD times AB. That's it. Hope that was clear.